Good evening. Hi, my dear friends. Good evening. This is Tomal once again. Welcome to PRCOMP. The official website is prccomp.org.in. In today's session of PRCOMP, we are going to discuss regarding the replace option. So, replace option in Word, how does it work? Click on the replace button in the Word, and suppose I have written a particular word called Tomal here, and I just want to replace it with Bimal. So, let me check. Find what? Yeah, this, see, this has recognized this particular word which is called Tomal, and if I say that replace, then that is the particular word will be replaced by the what is there, and a message will come. Click on OK, and this is how the in the word the replace option work. Now if you have multiple instances of this particular word Tomal, and if you want to replace with the particular word Bimal, then you can click on replace all, and that will be automatically done. So this is all about the session. I am representing PRCOMP. Official website is prccomp.org.in. Email is astomal6@gmail.com. Call is 8420879158. Thank you for being with us, and stay there for more updates. Thank you.